Hey everyone! So, are you trying to upload a file in Airtable, but it keeps saying attachment upload failed? Maybe the file doesn't upload, or it just keeps loading and then fails. Yeah, that can be pretty frustrating, especially when you're managing files inside your database. In this video, I'll show you several ways to fix the Airtable attachment upload failed problem in 2026. And most of these fixes only take just a few minutes. First, check your internet connection. Uploading files requires a stable connection, so if your network is slow or unstable, the upload might fail. Next, try refreshing the Airtable page. Sometimes the upload fails because of a temporary loading issue, and refreshing the base can fix it. Another thing to check is the file size and format. If the file is too large or unsupported, Airtable may not upload it properly. Make sure you have permission to edit records in the base. If your role is set to viewer or commenter, you won't be able to upload attachments. If you're using Airtable in a browser, try clearing your cache and cookies. Old browser data can sometimes interfere with file uploads. You can also try uploading the file from another browser or device. This helps determine if the issue is related to your current browser. If you're using the Airtable desktop or mobile app, try restarting or updating it. Running the latest version can fix upload errors. And that's it. Most Airtable attachment upload errors can be fixed by checking your internet connection, verifying file size, or refreshing the base. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more quick tech tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.